It is 2 in the afternoon on a Sunday at El Palmar on the edge of the Albufera lagoon. A wood fire is crackling beneath a wide, flat steel pan, and somewhere inside that pan, the rice has stopped absorbing and started caramelizing against the metal, the moment Valencians call socarrat. Tonight, we cook the only true paella, Paella Valenciana. 10 ingredients exactly per the protected origin denomination. No chorizo, no onion, no peppers, no seafood. Joining me are a Valencian paella master from El Palmar and an Albufera rice farmer.
Paella Valenciana is a peasant dish from the Albufera lagoon countryside outside Valencia in the 1700s. Farm laborers cooked one pan over a fire in the open field at midday, whatever was running in the field. Chicken, rabbit, snails, garden beans, rice from the Albufera paddies. In 2012, the European Union granted Paella Valenciana protected designation of origin. The official recipe is 10 ingredients only. Add chorizo or seafood and you have made arroz con cosas, rice with stuff. That is fine. It is just not Paella Valenciana.
The 10 ingredients exactly. 1. Bomba rice or calasparra rice, 200 grams per person. 2. Bone-in chicken thighs cut into pieces. 3. Rabbit cut into pieces. 4. Garrofó, the large flat white Valencian lima bean. 5. Bachoqueta, the broad flat green Valencian bean. 6. Ferradura, the horseshoe-shaped green bean. 7. Grated ripe tomato, never crushed. 8. Extra virgin olive oil. 9. Sweet smoked pimentón dulce paprika. 10. Saffron threads, 1/10 of a gram per 4 servings, plus water and salt. That is the canonical list.
The pan and the fire are equal partners with the recipe. Use a wide, flat, shallow carbon steel paella pan, exactly 1 inch of pan diameter per serving, so a 4-person paella needs a 15-inch pan, an 8-person paella needs a 22-inch pan. Build a fire of orange wood, vine cuttings, or olive tree clippings. The pan must heat completely evenly across the entire surface. That is why we use such a wide, thin pan over an open fire and not a domestic stove burner. Get the fire to medium-high before the oil goes in. The whole cook is 45 minutes start to finish.
Add half a cup of olive oil to the pan. Heat until it shimmers. Salt the chicken and rabbit, 1 heavy teaspoon coarse salt total. Lay them around the perimeter of the pan. Sear 12 to 15 minutes, turning until both sides are deep golden mahogany. Push the meat to the center. Add the green beans, 3 cups total of mixed bachoqueta ferradura and a half cup garrofó. Fry 5 minutes. Push to the side. Drop heat slightly. Add 3 tablespoons grated ripe tomato and 1 full teaspoon pimentón dulce sweet smoked paprika. Toast 2 minutes only, stirring constantly. Burnt paprika ruins the dish.
Now the broth. Add water to fill the pan exactly to the level of the rivets where the handles meet the pan. For a 4-person paella, that is about 6 cups of water. For 8-person, about 10 cups. Bring to a rolling boil, simmer 15 minutes. While it simmers, toast 1/10 of a gram of saffron threads, a healthy pinch for 4 servings, in a dry pan over low heat for 30 seconds. Crumble them into a small cup of warm broth. Add back. Final salt taste. The broth should be slightly oversalted because the rice will absorb it back. Total liquid in the pan at this moment is your single chance.
Add the rice, 200 grams of bomba per person sprinkled across the pan in a cross pattern, then redistribute evenly with a wooden spatula. From this moment, do not stir, ever. The rice cooks high and dry. Cook 8 minutes at high heat, then drop the heat to medium-low for 10 minutes. Total rice time is exactly 18 minutes. At minute 15, rotate the pan a quarter turn every minute to even out hot spots. At minute 18, the rice should be just done, al dente, with no surface liquid. Cover the pan with a clean
Now the socarrat. In the last 60 to 90 seconds of cooking, listen for a faint crackling. That is the rice on the bottom of the pan beginning to caramelize against the hot metal. Raise the heat to high for 90 seconds. Sniff for a toasted, not burnt smell. Pull the pan immediately. The dark mahogany crackling crust on the bottom is the prized texture of all paella. Scrape it up with the wooden spatula and serve a piece of socarrat to every guest. Garnish with quarters of fresh lemon, squeeze, never spread. Eat directly from the pan with wooden spoons, working in segments from the edge inward.
3 takeaways. 1. 10 ingredients only. Bomba rice, chicken, rabbit, garofo, bachoqueta, ferradura, grated tomato, olive oil, sweet pimenton, saffron, plus water and salt. No chorizo, no onion, no peppers, no seafood. 2. Wide, thin pan, 1 inch of diameter per serving, over orange wood or vine fire. Total cook 45 minutes. Sear meat 12 to 15, beans 5, tomato and paprika 2, simmer broth 15, rice 18, rest 5. 3. Listen for the socarrat crackle at the end. Raise the heat 90 seconds. Scrape the dark caramelized crust onto every plate. Thank you, Paella Master. Thank you, Rice Farmer.